Hey guys, hope you all are doing well. So in this video, I'll show you how to redeem a Google Play gift card from another country step by step. It's a quick and easy. So let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store app on your Android device. Now tap on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, select the payments and subscription. Here you will see different payments option. Scroll down and tap on the last option, redeem code. Now a new window will pop up asking you enter the code. If your gift card is from another country, make sure your Google account's country matches the gift card region. Otherwise, it might not work. You may need to create a new Google account with that country selected or use a VPN to redeem it successfully. And that's it. Once the code is accepted, your balance will be added instantly. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Google Play and tech guides. Thank you.